is Hannah. So today I will introduce our Popping Boba equipment. Now let's have a look together. So today I will show you our CBZ200S Popping Boba equipment. It's a fully automatic production line with a capacity of 500 kilograms per hour, and it is made of SUS304. So, and this machine consists of 3 sections: the cooking system, the depositing system, and the cleaning system. Now, as you can see, we have 2 cooking systems. One is for cooking the outer material, and one is cooking for the core material. And look at here, our cookers have 3 layers, heated by steam instead, and fitted with the insulation system. And then the core material and the outer material are transferred into the 2 storage tanks by the lobe pump. And look at here, our core material storage tank have equipped with a vacuum extraction system to avoid the small bubbles. And then our core material from the storage tank pumped into the depositor, and our outer material from the tank pumped into the reaction pool. This is our second section, the depositor stage. So the calcium lactate from the core material drips into the reaction pool and reacting with the sodium alginate. And the sodium alginate solution encapsulates the juice and forming a thin film. So our Popping Boba are complete. Our Popping Boba can as small as 3 millimeters and as large as 12 millimeters. And then we can get different sizes of Popping Boba can be produced by replacing different distribution plates. And then our Popping Boba convey to the 3rd section by the conveying system. So this is our filter tank. We filter out the sodium alginate and send it to the lower storage tank. And then it can pumped into the recycling by pipes. And then our Popping Boba move along the belt into the cleaning system. The water pumped out from a pump into cleaning to remove the excess sodium alginate. So our Popping Boba undergo a second cleaning progress here. And after cleaning, our water and Popping Boba transported up here together, and the water penetrated down and pumped into recycling. So our Popping Boba finished. So this is our Popping Boba progress line. So if you want to know more, please text me now.